Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Here I'm Nurul Fahmi Zain and ID number 18220062 for B1 non-regular class 2018 IKIT Siliwangi Bandung. Well guys, in this video I share how to practice classment of the diphthong to improve n and g sound, and this video also submitted to profile a segment phonetic and phonology. The first sentence is my mom sings. Second, no, the dog is not mine. Third, that ring is nice. Fourth, come here now. 5. What is the man's name? 6. Bring me 9 sting. 7. Nancy knows him. 8. Bring the hanger to me. 9. Mary sings at the night. 10. The last. Learning English is fun. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you for attention. See you the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.